There are 3 different methods that can be used to clean and maintain your mats and carpets. Those methods are bonnet and carpet brush cleaning, cleaning with the FiberCap 20, or deep extraction cleaning. Before each method, first you must pre-vacuum and pre-spot an area. To pre-vacuum and pre-spot an area, simply vacuum the area with a standard vacuum cleaner, and then spot the area using a pump-up sprayer at a dilution rate of 8 ounces per gallon. For bonnet cleaning, it is important to pre-moisten the bonnet before use. For carpet brush cleaning, make sure the bristles are pre-conditioned on concrete before using on carpet. These preparations will prevent the bristles from causing damage to the carpet fiber. When low moisture cleaning, be sure to add 8 ounces of product per gallon. It is important to spray an area quickly and then immediately use the carpet machine. To help ensure this, spray and work within a 10 foot by 10 foot area at a time. When using the FiberCap 20, make sure the pump-up sprayer is filled with 8 ounces of product per gallon. It is important to spray an area quickly and then immediately use the FiberCap 20. To help ensure this, spray and work within a 10 foot by 10 foot area at a time. When using the deep extractor, make sure the tank is filled with 2 to 4 ounces of product per gallon. There is no need to spray an area with the pump-up sprayer before using a deep extractor.